Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So this lecture here will be very short. I want to show you a method in Python that allows us to control how objects appear when printed. So right now, if I try to print this object here, A1, right? This for account number 1, which would be Jose, which is Jose's object. If I do this, let me just go ahead and let me just clear this out so you can see it properly. And you can see the object, how it's printed. This is very ugly. There are times when we need to actually print our object so we can see what's actually going on underneath, right? So there is a method called str in Python that we can use for things like that, all right? So right here inside the class itself, just like any other methods, I'm going to define this str, just like this, all right? Now, I could return anything I want from this here, but this str is going to pick up data. We can pick up data inside and return it. So we're going to grab a f string here, and we can say we can format this however we want. I'm going to grab this attribute name, and I'm going to say the balance. Let me just put the self balance here, just like that, all right? And we can even take this further, and we can say bank account. So we can say, let's just grab it from here. We can say bank account, and then we can show we can do whatever we want here. And even the bank name if we wanted to. So now when I print this, you can see this says Jose balance $1,200 in Chase. Isn't that awesome? So now let's go ahead and do the same thing for Maria, right? So we'll come here, we'll say Maria. Maria has more money. She's pretty, she was born with beauty, and she's young. She's 25 years old, so she has everything going for her. And, you know, men, we do have to work a lot harder than some women, or, you know, most women that are really pretty and smart and young, because we're men, right? That's what we're supposed to do. Anyway, then we'll come here and we'll print this out. And you can see now that Maria has a balance of 5,000, and she does banking at Chase as well. All right. Let me just put Jose back in here. Okay. And you can see both of them there. Really useful little method here, str. This is why, so when you see it in a Python program, you know exactly what this is. Okay? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next lecture. Keep doing this. Keep consistently finishing lectures. So that way you can get a lot better in programming. You can master this. We need these boring steps to master Python because we need to know all the details, right? So I'll see you guys on the next following lectures. Take care.